Sir, now, mashallah, the members-elect basically have all taken their oath. Now, I'd like to make an announcement. The nomination papers of candidates for the post of chairman and deputy chairman were to be filed by 12 o'clock in the office of the Secretary Senate. इनकी पेपर्स की स्क्रूटनी जो है ये 12:30 बजे होगी सेनेट सेक्रेटेरिएट के जो सेक्रेटरी साहब हमारे हैं उनके दफ्तर में, और ये स्क्रूटनी का जो प्रोसेस है ये उम्मीदवार साहिबान देख सकते हैं या इनके प्रपोजल्स भी देख सकते हैं अगर वो चाहें तो. विथड्रॉल ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स for the post of chairman and deputy chairman can be made any time before the election. अब हम नमाज का वक्फा करेंगे. एक मिनट सर, मुझे ज़रा मुझे भी इजाज़त दे देना, अगर आप इजाज़त दें तो. सर मुझे भी अगर इजाज़त है तो मैं मुकम्मल कर लूँ. सर अब आप उसके बाद क्या होगा वो तो मुझे नहीं पता ना. Sir, I am presiding, that's what I am saying, that basically let me speak first. Can I speak? Very good. Okay, ji, now please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. Sir, now I am directing that the polling booth which was dismantled will be reconstructed. Any of the parties will have full permission to be in a position to inspect the same. I will ensure that the secrecy of the ballot is maintained at all costs. Another announcement is that both Mr. Sanjarani as well as Mr. Yusuf Raza Jilani can nominate polling agents who will be there during the course of the count, and I would ask them to make an application mentioning the name of the polling agent and kindly submit it to the Secretary of the Senate. We will meet now at 3 o'clock in the afternoon after the Jummah Namaz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pehle to I would like to congratulate all the senators elect who have been elected. I wish you all well. This session, this special sitting of the Senate will be basically in relation to the oath taking of the new members who have been elected as such. In addition thereto, I will also tell you that nomination papers for the post of chairman and deputy chairman with their proposals can be filed in the office of the Senate Secretariat by 12 o'clock. The nomination paper needs to be proposed by a senator along with a statement of the contesting candidate that he or she has consented to contest the election for the chairman or the deputy chairman. The scrutiny will take place in the afternoon, and thereafter in the afternoon session after Friday prayers for the election for the post of chairman of the Senate of Pakistan. And now I will call upon the members elect to kindly rise in their seats for the purposes of taking oath. Those who are desirous of taking their oath in Urdu will kindly repeat after me. मैं सद के दिल से हलफ उठाता हूँ कि मैं खुलूस नीयत से पाकिस्तान का हामी और वफादार रहूँगा कि बेहैसियत सेनेट मैं अपने कारनामे मनसूबी ईमानदारी
अपनी इंतहाई सलाहियत
वफादारी के साथ इस्लामी जमहूरियत पाकिस्तान के आइन और कानून और सेनेट के कवायद के मुताबिक और हमेशा पाकिस्तान की खुद मुख्तारी, सालमियत, इस्तेहकाम, बहबूदी और खुशहाली के खातिर अंजाम दूंगा कि मैं इस्लामी नज़रिए को बरकरार रखने के लिए कोशा रहूँगा और मैं कि क़याम पाकिस्तान की बुनियाद है और ये कि मैं इस्लामी जमहूरियत पाकिस्तान के आइन को बरकरार रखूँगा और इसका तहफ़्फ़ुज़ और दिफा करूँगा। अल्लाह ताला मेरी मदद और रहनुमाई फरमाए, आमीन। इस पे दस्तखत कर दें आप। जी सर, एक मिनट जी सर।
Can I have the floor?
Rule does not allow.
Sir, are you presiding the House or is someone else presiding the House?
But at the same time,
Sir,
If someone else is presiding the House, then I will act accordingly.
no provision in our rule that can.
There is no provision in the rules for putting cameras at the polling station. There is no provision in the rules. It is against the Constitution. It is against Article 226. It is against the reference that you moved to the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which held that elections to the office of the Chairman Senate are to be held under Article 226. Mr. President.